Hi, I'm your data analyst friend, and in this video, I will walk you through Kaggle SQL courses. What you will learn, how it works, and whether it's worth your time as a data analyst. If you are preparing for SQL interview or getting into data analytics, this might be one of the best free resources out there. First, let us quickly understand what is Kaggle. Kaggle is a platform by Google where you can learn data science, practice with real data sets, participate in competitions, and build your portfolio. But today, we are focusing on their SQL learning track. Kaggle offers a structured SQL learning path that's beginner friendly but also built on a strong foundation for real world data analysis. Let's break down the most important part in a bit more detail. So, in this video, we are going to go through two different courses. The first course will be Intro to SQL. This is where everything starts, and Kaggle does a really good job of making SQL feel simple. In this course, you will learn how to retrieve data using select, how to filter data using where clause, how to sort result using order by, how to limit output using limit. But what I really like is how they teach you thinking in SQL. Instead of just memorizing syntax, you learn how to ask questions like which customer bought the most, which product has the highest price. They also introduce you to working with real data sets, not just theory. And every concept is followed by hands-on exercise, so you immediately apply what you learn. And by the end of this course, you will be able to write basic queries confidently, which is a huge step for beginners. The Intro to SQL consists of 6 lessons. So it starts with basics in SQL and BigQuery. So BigQuery is a dialect of SQL. Then we will learn the basics like select from where. Then as I explained, we will learn group by having count. Then ordering data using order by clause. Then aliasing and common table expression. Then finally the basics of join you will be learning in this particular course. And after every lesson, you will be having an exercise which you have to complete in order to move to the other lesson. Also, only if you complete the exercise, you will get the final certificate. And the estimated time to complete this certificate will be 3 hours. Don't focus too much on the certification part, instead focus on the learning part. Now let's move on to the second course which I was talking about, which is Advanced SQL. Now this is the part that really prepare you for real world scenario and interviews. In Kaggle's Advanced SQL concept, you will explore window functions like row number, rank, partition by, and lot of other advanced concepts. And these are super important for solving interview questions and analytical problems like ranking, running total, and trend. You will learn things like subqueries and nested queries, and this will help you break down complex problems into smaller steps, something that's heavily used in real jobs. Also, you will learn more about common table expression, and common table expression make your queries cleaner and more readable, especially when working with complex logic. And this is exactly the kind of thinking interviewers are looking for. So in the Advanced SQL course, there are 4 lessons, and each lesson is dedicated to one of the advanced concept in SQL. So the first lesson will be concentrating on join and union. Then we will learn about analytical functions in SQL. And in the third lesson, we will learn about nested and repeated data. In real world analytics, this is a very important concept and definitely will give you competitive advantage, both in interview and also in real industry. And the fourth lesson will be based on writing efficient queries. So we will learn about optimization technique and what are the different optimization technique that can be used. All this will be learned in the fourth lesson. And here also, after completing the tutorial, we will have exercise which will be hands-on exercises which will give us a sense of confidence that we have learned this concept. So once you complete all the tutorial and exercise, you will be given a advanced SQL certification from Kaggle. So these are the 2 courses which I would recommend from the Kaggle platform. And if I had to summarize, Intro SQL teach you how to write queries, and Advanced SQL course teach you how to think with data. And link to both the courses will be available in the description. You can directly go to learning path from the link provided in the description. And if you want, I can also create a full roadmap for mastering SQL. Just let me know in the comments. And don't stop here. Check out the other videos on our channel. I have covered a lot of SQL interview questions, real world problems, and concepts that will actually help you level up. Thank you.